Hey there, savvy investors! Ready to make the most of your crypto game? Make sure to click the link in the description below to try out the tools we're talking about today. Alright, let's dive right in. Today, I'm breaking down two of the biggest names in the crypto tracking world, CoinStats and CoinMarketCap. Which one's got the edge? Let's find out. First up, CoinMarketCap. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you've probably heard of it. It's the granddaddy of crypto tracking sites, providing real-time data on market caps, trading volumes, and so much more. The interface is straightforward, and it supports a ton of cryptocurrencies. Pretty much a one-stop shop for all your crypto tracking needs. But wait, there's more. CoinMarketCap also offers additional features like watch lists and alerts. And if you love digging deep into data, it provides detailed charts and historical data. Plus, they've got a mobile app, so you can track your investments on the go. Now let's switch gears to CoinStats. If you're looking for a more personalized experience, CoinStats might be your go-to. It's super user-friendly and integrates with multiple exchanges and wallets. What does that mean for you? You can manage all your assets in one place without hopping between different platforms. CoinStats shines with its advanced portfolio management features. Imagine being able to track your gains, losses, and overall portfolio performance seamlessly. It also supports over 8,000 coins, and you can set up alerts for price changes, news, and updates. The mobile app is pretty slick too, offering a clean and intuitive interface. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want comprehensive data and a time-tested platform, CoinMarketCap is a solid choice. But if you're after a more integrated and personalized experience, CoinStats might just be the way to go. Whatever you decide, both platforms have their unique strengths. And remember, the best tool is the one that suits your specific needs. So go ahead, click the link in the description below to try them out and see which one fits your crypto strategy best. Thanks for watching. Happy investing!